Understanding the phrase, like a calm sea, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, like a calm sea. This phrase is not just about the ocean but carries a deeper meaning in English. Let's dive in and understand its nuances together. First, let's break down the phrase, like a calm sea. A sea is a large body of salt water, and when it's calm, it's peaceful, quiet, and undisturbed. This imagery of a tranquil sea is often used to describe something or someone who is serene, peaceful, or untroubled. Now, let's see how to use like a calm sea in sentences. It's often used to describe a person's demeanor or a situation. For example, after the argument, she remained as calm as a sea, not letting her emotions take over. The meeting room was like a calm sea, even amidst the heated discussions. These sentences show that the phrase can describe a person's inner calm or a peaceful atmosphere in a situation. English is rich with similar phrases. Understanding these can help you better grasp the context of like a calm sea. Here are a few: as cool as a cucumber, extremely calm and composed, peaceful as a dove, very peaceful or gentle, still waters run deep, a quiet exterior hides a deep, complex personality. The phrase, like a calm sea, is not just a literal description but also carries a cultural significance. It often implies a sense of stability, tranquility, and depth. In literature and poetry, the calm sea is a symbol of peace and serenity, contrasting with the stormy sea, which represents turmoil. We hope this exploration of like a calm sea has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words but the imagery and emotions they convey. See you in our next video, and keep enjoying the journey of learning English.